Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So as you could see here, as well as on the euro currency, it's a bit tricky action. So once our initial entry has started to work, actually the market was able to move slightly higher and everything was really good. But recently you can see on the bad numbers of the ADP report, this market has formed reversal bar here. It's bullish reversal bar actually, and keep going higher. Now we have a bit tricky situation. So we have a bit contradiction patterns that might suggest that market could still move slightly higher, or at the same time it could start downward direction right here. And it makes really difficult to take the proper decision on where to enter and how to enter, taking the position, because in general, as you can see on the daily chart, nothing has changed. The market shows just minor anemic pullback from the 618 support, trend stands bearish here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, in general, everything also stands the same. So market stands around the same 18 resistance, retesting of these lows, and overall setup hasn't changed significantly. Besides, as you probably know, if you are watching our Forex market videos, you probably know that the euro currency will also expect starting on the downward retracement because market stands at strong resistance. So since both of them stand in relation to the United States dollar, maybe on the gold market also might be some downside continuation. Well, currently we can't say that market can't start downward direction immediately. So we can't say that market, well, definitely will go higher, and so it can't just keep going lower. But there are a few moments that makes us think that upward action here, the slight upward continuation, is still possible. Well, first of all, when the market starts first pull back down from the major resistance, it was not able to proceed higher, and instead it started showing upward action here. Recently, upward action looks, well, not really weak, so you can see that thrusting action and momentum here stands, well, not really very slow. In general, this is more or less significant upward action for intraday charts. And potentially here might be some kind of the minor guardrails to buy, and market could start keep going higher. Finally, we have some extensions that has not been quite reached. So you could see the steep butterfly pattern with 127 extension around 1812 and OP around 1814 area. There's this ABCD pattern. So if somehow market starts dropping and break the C point, well, in this case probably it will be supposedly starting on downward direction. In this case we could try to keep an eye on maybe this head and shoulders or something that will be formed later. But in the current moment, for example, if you decide to take position right now, where you place your stop, you will have to place it at least above this area. But at this moment it's a reasonable the question is what to do with these extensions. That actually has relation to this type of this price action, and really could be completed. In this case, you will have to place stop somewhere above this area. So from that standpoint, the risk here will be not really very small, so approximately $10 per contract. And with the potential of this trade, well, maybe slightly greater, it's not very comfortable to take the position somewhere in the middle of the range without any significant background. So this is opportunity. So if you'd like to go short here right immediately, only if you think that market really, or you have some other technical tools that you usually use that tells you that market starts keep going lower right from here. In this case it is logical. In all other cases, I would suggest to wait for a bit more clarity. Definitely market is coming to payrolls release. Maybe today we even will not see significant volatility, and the major decision will come tomorrow. But well, at this moment, this type of action, which also doesn't look like the reversal, and in general overall performance around the major resistance that we see currently on the 4 time frame chart, well, makes me to wait a bit more and see what will happen, because I'm not sure that this is definitely the proper point for position taking.